In the heart of South Africa's Orange Free State, a self-taught giant rose. Solomon Tshekisho Plaatje, born into modest circumstances, mastered more than 8 languages, including Dutch and German. He became a masterful journalist and storyteller who refused to let his people's voices be silenced. Plaatje founded pioneering newspapers like Koerante ia Bekwana and Sala ia Batho, platforms that informed, united, and mobilized Black South Africans against injustice. As the first Secretary General of the South African Native National Congress, later the African National Congress, he stood as a beacon of national unity, fiercely opposing tribalism and calling all Black Africans to see themselves as one people with a shared destiny. When the devastating 1913 Natives Land Act crushed families and hopes, Plaatje didn't despair. He acted. He traveled to England as a delegate, stayed to lecture and write his landmark book, Native Life in South Africa, exposing the act's cruelty to the world. He journeyed on to North America, connecting with leaders like those of the NAACP, amplifying the struggle across oceans. Plaatje was no victim. He was a political genius of unbreakable resolve. Multilingual and culturally fluent, he understood both his people and the oppressor, using words as weapons for diplomacy and truth. Not driven by wealth, but by a burning desire for a better South Africa, he proved that education, intellect, and principled courage could challenge empires. Plaatje's life stirs the soul, because it shows what one determined individual can achieve against the odds. Founders like him were remarkable men of personal success, whose stories must inspire us today. He rejected easy grievance. He embraced agency, unity, and the power of ideas. In a world still tempted by division, pick up your pen, master your skills, build bridges, and fight with facts and heart. Like Plaatje, become the voice your nation needs. Truth, merit, and unbreakable resolve can still bend history toward justice. One man with paper, ink, and courage changed the conversation forever. What will you do?